If you're looking for a simple and integrated way to manage tasks inside the Microsoft ecosystem, you've probably come across Microsoft Planner. It's a lightweight project management tool designed to help teams collaborate, stay organized, and visualize work all within the Microsoft 365 ecosystem. In this video, I'm going to break down everything that you need to know about Microsoft Planner, its features, strengths, weak spots, pricing, and more. So without further delay, let's get started. So first off, let's cover what Microsoft Planner actually is. At its core, it's a visual task management app that lets teams organize work using Kanban style boards. It's especially handy for users already using Microsoft Teams, Outlook, or other Office tools because it connects seamlessly with those platforms. You can assign tasks, set deadlines, attach files, and track progress without ever leaving the Microsoft 365 environment. Now let's talk about what you get in terms of features. So Planner offers a pretty intuitive interface. You can create different plans for each project. You can add buckets to organize tasks and drag and drop cards across progress stages like to do, in progress, and done. Each task card can hold checklists, attachments, labels, and comments, making it easy for team members to collaborate in real time. There's also a My Tasks and My Day view to help individuals focus on what they need to do across all their projects. Next, one of the biggest benefits of using Planner is how well it integrates with other Microsoft tools. For example, when you create a task in Planner, it can show up in Microsoft To Do. If you're using Teams, you can add Planner as a tab inside a channel so your whole team can work together without switching apps. It also connects with Microsoft Loop and Viva Goals, allowing you to tie task execution back to broader strategic goals. In addition, Microsoft has started expanding Planner's capabilities by rolling some of its functionality into what's now called the Planner and Project Plans. Now, these premium plans give you access to Gantt chart views, task history, baselines, and portfolio management. So if you need something more advanced than basic task tracking, you can scale up without needing to switch to an entirely different tool. That said, there are a few limitations. The basic version of Planner doesn't offer deep reporting or advanced project management features like workload balancing or cost tracking. It's also not ideal for managing very complex or resource-heavy projects. And while it's easy to use, the simplicity might feel too limiting for power users who are used to tools like Asana or Smartsheet. Now, let's go over the pricing. So Microsoft Planner is included with Microsoft 365 subscriptions at no additional cost. For more advanced features, Planner Plan 1 is available for $10 per user per month. Planner and Project Plan 3 costs $30 per user per month, and Planner and Project Plan 5 is $55 per user per month, all billed annually. So overall, Microsoft Planner is a solid choice if your team already lives in the Microsoft ecosystem and you need something quick, visual, and easy to use. It's not the most powerful project management tool on the market, but for many teams, it gets the job done. And with the premium options available, it can even scale up for more complex needs. And that's it for this video. So if you found it helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.